A woman has been charged with assault following the unexplained death of a man in Northland. Emergency services were called to the residential address in Harudu Falls near Taihia about 4:25 a.m. on Saturday after receiving a report that a man had been found unresponsive. She has been charged with assault. It is due to be in the Kaikohe District Court on Monday, August 24. Cameron Fitzpatrick reports. So, Cameron, what is the latest? Okay, Cameron Fitzpatrick, thank you very much. A person was tragically injured after a crash in Mount Maunganui. The intersection of State Highway 29A and State Highway 2 was closed following a crash at about 3:50 p.m, police said yesterday. The crash involved a single vehicle, the driver of which is in a critical condition. Motorists are being asked to avoid the area and expect delays. Let's go live now to Cameron Fitzpatrick. Good morning to you, Cameron. What is the latest that we know? Okay, Cameron Fitzpatrick, what do we know? Okay, Cameron Fitzpatrick, thank you very much. Heavy rain is expected for western areas of the South Island on Saturday, ahead of severe gales and high waves and snow on Sunday. Wellington's forecast today is a period of rain, clearing fine in the morning. Gale is gusting 120 kilometers an hour, easing late morning. An orange strong wind warning orange is in effect from 1 a.m. this morning until 10 a.m. today. Peyton Smith report. Peyton Smith, thank you. In some breaking news, a large fire that forced evacuations in Wānaka has been brought under control, but strong winds and steep terrains are making it difficult for firefighters to reach the remaining flames. About 22 homes were evacuated in Wānaka Albert Town on Saturday night as huge flames burned close to residential streets just before 7:30 p.m. Now, firefighters are working to put out a 600-metre long blaze on Oriti Beach in Invercargill. The shift south manager said the vegetation fire is rather large, with firefighters working against the wind and the rain. Let's go live now to Peyton Smith. Good morning to you, Peyton. What is the latest that we know? Okay, Peyton Smith, thank you very much. That is Peyton Smith reporting for us. So, Peyton, what is the latest that we know? Okay, Peyton Smith, thank you very much. In some breaking news, police are seeking witnesses after 3 people have been critically injured following a crash on the Lindis Pass. Emergency services report a State Highway 8 between Lindis Pass and Terry Road and Perth Road at about 7:40 a.m. on Saturday. Peyton Smith reports. So, Peyton, what is the latest that we know? Okay, Peyton Smith, thank you very much. That is Peyton Smith reporting for us.